Hi, I'm Kaylee Kopflish, and today I will be showing you how to make no-bake cookies. The first thing you should do is get your ingredients and your supplies out that you need to make your cookies. So you will be needing cocoa, oats, peanut butter, sugar, milk, salt, butter, pan, tablespoon, measuring cup, 1/4 teaspoon, and foil. So now the first step that you need to do is that we're going to combine the sugar, the milk, the cocoa, and the salt into this bowl. For your cocoa, you're going to need 1 cup. You want to make sure that you even it out so that you don't have too much. So once you have it leveled, you can put it in the pot. Then we're going to need 1 cup of milk, all the way to the top, and then pour it in with the cocoa. Now after you add the cocoa and the milk, you're going to need to put in 4 cups of sugar. Make sure it's nice and level. So now we have 1 cup. I have 2 cups. Now we have our 3 cups. Now we need 1 more cup. So now we have our 4 cups of sugar. We have our 1 cup of cocoa in, 1 cup of milk, and now we need 1/4 teaspoon salt. And we're also going to be putting that in this pot. After we add this the salt, we are going to bring this to a boil on the stove. Now that we have all of our ingredients mixed, we brought it over here to the stove. It doesn't really matter what setting you have it on. So mine's been about medium heat. And after you get it to come to a boil, like it is here, you want to set a timer for 1 minute and just stir it occasionally. And after that, remove it from heat. Now that our mixture has been brought to a boil for 1 minute, we're going to bring it back over here and set it on a towel so it doesn't wreck the countertop. And now what we are going to do, the next step, is we're going to take 1 cup of butter, so half a stick is, or 1 stick is half a cup. So we're going to need 2 sticks of margarine or butter. We're going to add 6 cups of our oats and 1 cup of peanut butter. One cup. Two cups. 4 cups. 5 cups. and 6 cups. Then add your butter. Now we're going to add our 1 cup of peanut butter. And smooth it out like that. Then we're going to add it with the rest of the ingredients. You should probably use smooth peanut butter, because if you use crunchy it would not turn out as well, so I recommend smooth. And then after you add that, stir the rest of it all together. Make sure it's well mixed. Okay, now that we have our mixture all mixed together, while it's still warm, you want to put it on your foil or your wax paper. I have foil. And then you're just gonna drop a tablespoonful, or however big you want your cookies, onto this. So this is about a good size. And then just set it on your sheet in a round cookie pattern, so it actually looks like a cookie, so nice and round. You make them whatever size you would like. If you like bigger cookies, that's fine. Smaller, that's fine too. If you want your cookies more firm, I'd let them sit for an hour, but if you want them more soft and chewy, let them sit for a half hour. And just repeat this process till you have all your cookies made, and hopefully they taste really good. I've had a lot of success with them in the past, and they should go over well. They work good for family gatherings or anything you need. So this is how you make no-bake cookies.